Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Jollibee tuna pie. First, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 1/2 cup of cold, cubed butter and a pinch of salt. Mix until crumbly, then add 4 to 5 tablespoons of ice water to form a dough. Chill this dough for at least 30 minutes. Once chilled, roll it out thinly and cut into small, rectangular shapes, about 3 by 5 inches, for your pie pockets. Next, let's prepare the delicious tuna filling. Sauté 1/2 cup of finely chopped onions and 2 cloves of minced garlic in a pan until they are soft and fragrant. Add 1 can of drained tuna, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, and a dash of black pepper. Stir well and cook over medium heat until the mixture thickens. Remember to let the filling cool completely before assembling your pies. Now it's time to assemble your tuna pies. Take one of your rectangular dough pieces and place about 1 tablespoon of the cooled tuna filling on 1/2. Fold the other half of the dough over the filling, creating a pocket. Press the edges firmly with a fork to seal them completely, preventing any filling from escaping. Deep fry these pies in oil heated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Once your tuna pies are perfectly golden, carefully remove them from the hot oil and place them on a wire rack lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. Serve these delicious, crispy Jollibee-style tuna pies immediately while they are still warm. They make a fantastic snack or a light meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.